To remove or replace the motherboard EMI shield, first remove the touch mat, the right rear cover, the left rear cover, the column assembly, and the bottom rear cover. Detach the 4 pink Torx head screws that secure the motherboard EMI shield to the middle frame. The screw locations are indicated by a stencil of an arrow with no circles inside. Lift the motherboard EMI shield off of the unit. There are 2 holes on the side edges of the motherboard EMI shield that align over small metal tabs on the middle frame. To replace the motherboard shield, align the holes on the shield over their tabs as you lay the shield into place on the middle frame. Replace the 4 pink Torx head screws to secure the motherboard EMI shield in the unit.